This tutorial video explains the RGB histogram function of CINENORM series monitors. It applies to the BM5-4WR, BM5-4, and BM7-DS models. First, tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the Add button. Select Waveforms. Slide up the menu, and then tap RGB histogram to add and enable this function. Within the RGB histogram, you can adjust 5 parameters: opacity, load LUT, full screen, position, and separate display. Tap opacity, and you will see for options off, 25%, 50%, and 75%. And you can change the opacity of the RGB histogram as needed. Tap Load LUT. You can view the image exposure and colored data after using LUT function. Turning off Load LUT will show the original footage's exposure and colored data. Tap Full Screen to view the more detailed RGB histogram. Tap Position to customize the position of RGB histogram on the screen. Tap Separate Display to view the individual histogram information for red, green, and blue. That's all for the introduction to the RGB histogram function of CINENORM series monitors.